How you
Really
doing?
appreciate it. Hi. Very good. Thank you. Over the road truck driver. Just watched your video about those. Jim, Daniel. So on December 7th, we've had an interview with my wife. I-751, conditional of remove, whatever that's called. So we were interviewed separately. First, my wife was interviewed for an hour and 40 minutes, and then with me, it went like for 40 minutes. I was really upset. And right from the beginning, she told me, how would you react if I told you that your marriage is fake? I said, nothing. I don't know how to react. She said, no, you have to answer my question. So my response was bullshit. She didn't like that. She said that that's not the type of language you're allowed to use here. And I said, I don't know what you want me to tell you. I just say it as it is, you know. I gave an
You,
oath
and
to speak
I
truth
tried.
and nothing but truth.
I tried not to answer, and you made me answer. So I gave you the truth, and the truth is that if you're saying my marriage is fake, that's a bunch of bullshit. Oh,
Yeah.
this
So,
is another. Wait, hold on. I have another
you
video
know,
I can do. Can I cuss at my green card interview? Yes. All right, go ahead, Kamal. I'm sorry.
I actually, no, that's fine, Jim. I love those topics. So so for 40 minutes, I only was asked how much you paid her, and what was it? And we know that it's a fake marriage. I said, listen, if you guys know that it's a fake marriage, I'm here. I'm not hiding from you. Here I am. My wife is there. If you can prove it, I'm all in.
Come
I
and
said,
get me.
I'm not hiding from anybody. I've been living in this country for 14 years, paying my taxes, spotless record. I have nothing against it. I mean,
Let's
here
let's
I am.
let's let's let's
Please.
let's not be mad at them for just a moment. Why do
Okay.
you think that they might think that it's a fake marriage?
Well, I know why they think that. What happened is, so we've been married for over 5 years now. And on probably in about a year and a half, we got our own place. We got a nice condominium in Washington State. And as usual these days, how it works, we were posting stuff online, and then her ex-boyfriend, from whom she had a restraining order, basically filed a complaint that she's doing a fake marriage with me and I'm paying her.
Hmm.
And in about 10 minutes after the interview, I told the lady, I said, listen, if Chris made that complaint, he's full of shit. He's nobody. He's a loser and he makes dramas. I said, and what are you doing here, ma'am? You're creating more drama and bringing more drama into my life. I'm not into this. I said, listen, you want to believe me? You believe me. Because right from the beginning, when she started asking those questions, and she said that, oh, I'm going to print it out and you're going to sign the paperwork. In about 30 minutes, she gives me paperwork. I read the answers and I'm like, no, I didn't answer you that way. So she had to read down the paperwork, and then I read it, and then I signed it basically. And I did ask her, however, I said, ma'am, I know you're doing your job. I'm sorry for being so, um, how do you say that?
Combative.
Um, Not really combative, just kind of. I was just emotional. I,
Yeah,
I
understandable.
told her that I'm sorry for letting out my emotions, but it's just we've had a long way getting here. We really wanted for this day to come as soon as possible, and I didn't expect that type of a treatment. But then, as I was sitting at the interview, I remembered your words as you were saying, those are not your friends. But our first interview, the lady she was just awesome. I mean, she was very friendly. But again, that's the first interview, and I guess that's how it goes, right? They don't know much about
Well, that was
the
probably
marriage.
before they got the drama letter from Chris.
Yes,
So
that's true.
what's your question
And
for me now?
I don't even know what is my question, but I feel like there's nothing I can do at this point. But I really wanted to hear your opinion about it. Is there anything we can do? By the way, I don't know if we did it right or not, but since we were, my Bluetooth had disconnected.
That's okay. Keep going.
Since we were so upset, my wife sent a letter to Department of Homeland Security, complaining how we were treated and what kind of a question we were asked. Because the lady did ask about our sexual life, and as soon as she said that, I told her, "You're disgusting," and she said, I'm gonna end this interview. I said, "Listen, you can do whatever you want to do. If there's another officer available to interview us, I would prefer to do that. I'm not gonna be talking to you about my sexual life. This is not your problem. This is not your business. How I do it and when I do it." And that's how it was. I'm not exaggerating anything. I mean, this is how it went. That's why I also, when I wrote in the comment section that I think I think we did it well. I don't know how my wife did it. I mean, according to her, you know, she also did a good thing, but I don't know how it's gonna go for me. So that's pretty much it. That is my question, Jim.
When did you
I don't
file?
know if
When did you file the
When did you file the
751?
751?
in 2019.
And
And
have you applied for
Have you
citizenship?
applied for citizenship?
no, I have not actually.
Good.
I was
think-
thinking about it, but I didn't do it.
I think you need to
I
sue
think you
them
need
on
to
this.
sue them on
I don't think they're going to decide the case until you sue them.
them.
Mm-hmm. So we need to fight more, right?
Mm-hmm.
They're assholes. They are. I mean, bunch of idiots.
You don't have to tell me.
You don't have
About
to tell me.
Well, I appreciate it. I guess I'm gonna be contacting you guys and see what are my options, because you know I have a plan B. That's my own plan B, but that's not more of a plan B. But it's just my passion, and I think I might be doing that, but I'm not gonna be speaking about it here. But what would be the best way contacting you guys? Email it to you or calling you guys?
You can call and ask for
Danny.
Okay. All right.
Thanks.
All right,
that
thanks,
would be
Kamal.
it.
Thanks, Kamal.
Thank you guys. Very appreciate your help. Thank you guys.
That was something.
Whoops. Wow. All right. Well, thanks, Kamal. That had a little bit of everything in that story.